Okay, so today we're going to go over how to install a photo onto your WordPress website. So when you log in, you'll go to the dashboard, or at least that's the first thing it'll put you to. Click on Media on the left hand side. This will take you to your library. This will have all your pictures as you upload them. So you want to add new. Select the file. I'm just going to upload the company logo on here. There it is. So you want to have the title, whatever it is, so it would be eHomes logo. This alternative text is like if you were to put your mouse over top of the photo, it would display whatever's in this area here. So I'm just going to put the same thing. Description is what a picture is. Google cannot tell what a picture is when they scan their website. They can just tell a picture's been installed. With the description, it'll help with Google to know what that picture is of. So I'm just going to put logo. If it was of the bridge or of a house in King's Crossing, I'd just put house in King's Crossing. Here's the file URL. The photo is sitting on the server. So when you do a post or a blog or a widget, whatever, you want to call that photo to that area, you got to be able to have this URL. So you just copy it. Just save all changes. So let's go to post. Actually, let's go to pages here. And we're going to change the contact here, especially since the code is already in here for images. So here's the code for an image. Everything has to be in there identical to that. So you can't leave this right here off, or you can't change image. My biggest thing is I always take image and I spell it out, and then it doesn't work and I can't figure out why, and it takes me 15 minutes to figure it out. So it has to be identical to what that says there. Another main error that people make is they'll be under visual and they'll put this code in and it displays the code instead of the image. They can't figure out why. So make sure you're under HTML. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. I'm just copying and pasting another code so I don't have to rewrite it again. So here is the image that we put on there. Alright. I don't want any extra spaces. These spaces are fine in between them, but you don't want like a space right there, or you don't want it to end up on the next row. That's another common error. So all this has to be there, the image source. This is what the image is it's calling. This is the width of the image along with the height of the image. You want a spacing in between them. So that's what an H space and a V space is how many pixels of a space is required between the image and the writing, so that way they're not buttoned up next to each other. And this right here is what would be displayed when somebody puts the mouse over top of the image. So you want to change this to whatever it is. I'll put eHomes logo. And that should be it. You updated the post. View the page. 9 times out of 10 I usually end up screwing up the first time around. Let's see if I am as good as I think I am. Oh, there it is. So it took the image that uploaded and it displayed it on the page. So that's pretty much it for images. It's the exact same way of doing it for as posts, pages, widgets. Everything's the exact same. Use the exact same code. When you put it on there. You just change the image URL.